For New Year's Eve tonight, I decided to make tacos with rice and beans. In one skillet, you'll want to fry up your meat until it's nicely browned. And in another skillet, you'll want to saute your rice with some butter until this is slightly browned as well. Once your rice is nicely browned, go ahead and add your water. And then your seasoning mix, and then be sure to mix it all together and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once your meat is nicely browned, drain the grease and go ahead and add in the water and your taco seasoning mix and mix that all together and let that simmer for maybe about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. While your meat and your rice are simmering, go ahead and heat up your refried beans in a saucepan. Make sure to use a medium to medium-low heat, otherwise it will pop and spit at you. And also be sure to stir regularly so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now that everything's done, I'm gonna go ahead and build my tacos. I already put my ground beef in. I'm gonna add some Mexican pour cheese on top of the meat so that hopefully it melts a little bit. I'm gonna pack that in because I have a lot of stuff to add to this. So after I add that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some shredded lettuce. And some salsa, because this has tomatoes and onions and all that good stuff in it, so that adds a lot of flavor. Now I'll sprinkle in a little bit of Taco Bell's hot sauce because that is my favorite sauce to add to my tacos. And then I will go ahead and top it off with some sour cream. After I built my tacos, I added in some Mexican rice and refried beans, and now it's time to go celebrate New Year's Eve with a nice, fun, and festive meal. Be safe and have fun, everyone.